Hello and welcome to the second part of the special episode with Ajay Jadeja. How's that? You tell us, how's that? Ajay, thank you very much for being back here and for continuing the conversation with Vijay and I. Let us continue our conversation on cricket coaches and captains and the changing dynamic that T20 cricket has seen.
Ajay, I mean, coaches वो time में भी थे. We used to have managers, not coaches, and then Bedi sir came, Vadekar sir came. Then obviously Sandeep Patil towards the end, Anshuman Gaikwad. So they were all basically cricketers. So वो तो बैठ के cricket की ही तो बात करेंगे, right? Now today, so much of analysis, so much of scrutiny, and मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है कि थोड़ा over analysis है. Data. I mean, breaking this game into data, which is, I find it very, I think I am out of place. Huh?
You are not the only one, Vijayji. I am also from the same era, looks like, not in terms of experience and age, but I think thinking wise, we are in the same, I think basic common sense जो था ना, उसको अब match up बोलते हैं ये लोग. और जो data एक क्रिकेटर को क्या बोलते थे पहले, आप कोई क्रिकेटर होता था, अरे यार ये इंटेलिजेंट क्रिकेटर है, ये समझता है कि इस स्टेज पे ये क्या होगा, क्या बॉलिंग होगी, क्या फील्ड लगाई है, क्यों लगाई है. अब इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज सुपर इंटेलिजेंट थिंकिंग. आई थिंक थिंकिंग वाज probably one of the first things that you looked in a player. I think we don't. I mean, I think not just me or you, but I think even the fans who are watching the game, they're looking at physical abilities of players. Their coaches or people who are buying people in auction also are looking at physical abilities. Not, they are saying, don't worry, isko nahi samajh, hum isko use kar lenge. It is in, आपने तो मुझे बचपन से देखा है, स्कूल में जो कोच होते थे, कैप्टन होते थे, वो आपको सिखाते थे, आपको बेटर बनाते थे. आजकल जो कोच है उसका काम ये नहीं है आपको सिखाना और बेटर बनाना, उसका काम ये आपको इस्तेमाल कैसे मैं सबसे बढ़िया कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि अगले साल आपकी शक्ल मुझे नहीं देखनी, आपको मैं भेज दूंगा किसी और टीम को. तो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा यूज होने लगी है डेटा.
हाँ, correct. But it has taken the fun element out. I mean, if you ask me honestly, I've stopped enjoying the game.
But there is so much to enjoy. I mean, are you enjoying, say, Yuzvendra Chahal bowling or not?
Yuzvendra Chahal, I would love to enjoy his bowling in a test match more.
वो तो हो नहीं सकता ना, वो टिंडी पहलवान है, वो 20 ओवर तो डाल ही नहीं सकता. इसीलिए तो उसको हरियाणा भी नहीं खिलाती.
हाँ, तो मेरे को, हाँ, so that is what na Ajay, you will have to accept T20 as completely different, and then we'll talk differently when it comes to a test match also, because when India goes to Australia, we will again have a session with you. That session will be very different from this one.
I totally agree. I think
naturally, but
if I had to make you a convert, I mean, because I enjoy this game, honestly, I enjoy it. Not saying that I don't enjoy it. If I had to make you convert, you know what I would say to you? I would say every day at 7 o'clock, think that it is 4th day, after lunch, the one team is leading by so many runs, only 40 overs left in the game. Now, they were both tied in the first innings. Now we'll see, इसमें captain ने declare नहीं करना 20 ओवर बाद, but to make a game out of it for the fans who have come to watch. So if you look at this game and say it is 4th day, only 40 overs to go, teams are tied. Now let's watch what each team, each player, each captain can do and win this game. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, आप रिलैक्स होके अपने सोफा पे बैठे हो, जैसे 4 दिन हम टेस्ट मैच देखते हैं, वो हमने न्यूएंसेस देखे, वो डिटर्मिनेशन का, डॉगिडनेस का, पेशेंस का, परसिवियरेंस किसी की बल्लेबाजी देखी, फिर आपने देखा कि किसी ने फ्लाइट एंड गाइल, किसी का पेस, किसी का सब कुछ देख लिया. अब 4.5 दिन हो गए, दोनों टीमें बराबर में टाई हो गई. अब सिर्फ 40 ओवर हो सकते हैं आज के खेल के। क्या अभी भी इस मैच में रिजल्ट आएगा या ड्रॉ के लिए खेलेंगे लोग? मुझे लगता है आजकल के लोग वो कहेंगे ड्रॉ नहीं खेलेंगे, लेट्स प्ले
Result.
2020।
Fair enough, Ajay. And I mean, I don't have footage. I can't take people, everybody back to time. But मेरे लिए उस जमाने में modern school ground was like the Sharjah ground of today. Very intriguing, very close, जबरदस्त contest and quality cricketers. है ना? So I'm not belittling this cricket at all. I mean, the younger generation, I admire them. Their thinking is very different, so I accept it. But मेरे लिए वही क्रिकेट, पुरानी वाली क्रिकेट ही पुरानी वाली।
इसको भी पुराना ही
वो
मानो,
तो
उसको भी पुराना ही मानो, with
नहीं,
with a slightly
नहीं,
different touch.
नहीं, वो मैं विजय जी के साथ हूँ कि देखो जी, वो जो क्रिकेट थी या वो जो क्रिकेट की बात कर रहे हैं वो अलग है। उससे आप कंपेयर मत करो, इसको
हाँ।
बिल्कुल मत करो। इसको आप कर ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि वो जो खेलते थे उसमें जो चीजें चाहिए थी, क्या वजह थी, जो बॉल ही अलग है, बाकी छोड़ो ना, हम कंडीशन की बात करते हैं तो बॉल ही अलग है।
कीमती
वो
बॉल।
अरे वही कह रहा हूँ ना, वो क्रिकेट से नहीं, बट एज अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट,
Yeah.
as it exists, I'm saying there is still so much to enjoy, because even in this, a decision making of a captain makes a difference in the game. Even in this, a bowler who's wily bowler can do something. Even in this, I saw Chahal bowl a beautiful over yesterday. You know, last over they needed 2, match was gone. Chris Gayle was batting, but he bowled कि अच्छा, you take a chance. So I'm saying there are moments even in this game where you can see a man how he thinks in a situation. You can see how a bowler is going to approach an innings, or sorry, a ball, or a batsman how he approaches. Like Chris Gayle walked out yesterday. Chris Gayle walked out yesterday after 1.5 years. छक्के मारने वाला है, अरे बट वो 300 रन भी तो बनाए है ना उसने, इसीलिए उसने टाइम लिया ना। वो बच्चों की तरह कोई जल्दी तो नहीं कर गया, वो हड़वाया नहीं। सो आई एम सेइंग इवन इन दिस गेम, ओनली थिंग इज व्हाट वी डोंट सी, वो पुराने जमाने में जो एक डिटर्मिनेशन, डॉगिडनेस, पेशेंस, वो चीजें इसमें, पेशेंस आती है काम, बट 4 बॉलों के लिए या 2 बॉलों के लिए, उसमें 4 घंटे के लिए चाहिए होती थी। तो इस गेम में भी बहुत मजा है सर। आप देखो, आपके साथ बैठ के देखूंगा अगला मैच।
अगला मैच we'll watch together, then maybe you might brainwash me.
No, I'm
You
nothing
don't
to
need-
brainwash.
You don't need any brainwashing, Vijay. You look at someone like a Ravi Bishnoi, for example. He's exciting talent. Someone who seems to have a really large heart when he's bowling his leg break and good release. Has someone like Anil Kumble working alongside him. You look at someone like Kartik Tyagi, exciting fast bowler, youngster. Then we got to see someone like Tushar Deshpande as well. So there is some new talent that comes along, which we don't usually get to watch in domestic cricket. Maybe my fault, I don't follow Ranji Trophy as seriously as I should be, but we get to see some exciting talent. Ravi Bishnoi, he may not have too many wickets, but he's captured my imagination, Vijay. I think he's perhaps the most exciting young talent that I've seen in this tournament. Kartik Tyagi is another one.
अगले सीजन you, I and Ajay will go and watch Bishnoi.
No, we said the same thing about youngsters like Yuzvendra Chahal, for example. We got to see him play for India. We got to see him come back and get better and better. I would like to give it to the youngster that he can come back next season, and like Rashid Khan is bowling now, maybe next year he might even be a better product.
Yeah, maybe. Yes, Ajay, you have to say something.
I think no, I think Raja Ramanji answered his question. If you see, he talked about Chahal. We saw him in India, but only 2020 and one-day cricket. We haven't seen him in Test cricket. So I would not look at somebody's success in this format and feel that they would be able to be successful at Test cricket, because Test cricket, I mean, and I am one of those who never did well at Test cricket. So I believe that there is skills required to be a Test cricketer are far more than what we are seeing with these guys.
No, not for a moment I said he will be playing for India in Test matches. No, I'm saying next year he will be back in IPL and dominate batsman like Rashid Khan is doing at this point of time. The amount of respect Rashid Khan gets from international quality players.
Why?
Because he's
Because
bowling very
you
well.
have, because the teams are playing data and they're saying let's play him off. Last 2 games they decided to whack him, and you see what happened to Rashid Khan.
No, that happens to the
Oh,
best
test
of
match?
bowlers.
No,
टेस्ट
but
मैच
what
में
I'm
भी
saying
ऐसे ही
is,
डालता है.
approach भी नहीं हो रहा ना. The test match is a different game. Raja Ramanji,
No, I'm not even
I am
talking
with-
test matches. I'm not talking test matches at all.
This format, yes, beautiful. This format, though, we don't have to see anything, because whether the teams will use them next year or throw them,
No.
we don't know.
I like the
Where is that-
fearlessness. I like the fearlessness that some of these youngsters bring to the table, Ajay. Take Karthik Tyagi bowling bouncers at international batsmen. Very unafraid of being hit. That is a quality that I get to see here, and to me, it is a positive development.
It is, I am 100% with you. I was having a conversation with a friend today, and we were talking about this, and he said, "Arey yaar, how come these guys are so fearless?" So what came to my mind is, I said, when you were 30 years ago, 20 years ago, whatever number of years ago, you were not playing a professional sport. You had to be selected by those 5 people. If those 5 people who were the selectors, whether in your school, college, district, country, wherever, if you didn't cross or you didn't tick the boxes that were required in those cricket, you had no chance of going up the ladder. Today's time, these kids who are coming to play now are not ticking anybody's boxes. They are saying, we will not have a consistency, is not something that is accepted or wanted or required. Excellence is all that people are looking for. Consistency is gone out of the window. So every kid who's coming to play is not going. Which kid have you seen in the last 5 years? 5 years, I'm giving you a long time, who's come into IPL and has shown skills of playing or has not changed his game for what this game requires. So what is required here, because the younger generation will always be smarter than the last one. In terms of approach, I don't know whether that is the case generally in life or not, but in the game, because you are watching your heroes do something, the ones who are successful, ones who are being selected, in this case, who are being elected. So people who go in the auction, who are wanted, where are you seeing a classical spinner bowling? No, because everybody wants mystery spinners. So that every kid who gets up wants to do mystery spin only, because he is not thinking कि यार वहाँ पे खेलना है कि नहीं खेलना है. He is saying यहाँ पे खेलना है. Same is with batsmen. They are not. Honestly, I mean, there is so much talent. There is no doubt about it. But tell me a batsman that you remember in the last 5 years who is very good at taking singles at will. You will only see batsmen who taking singles at will.
At will, I think our captain Virat Kohli.
No, वो तो genius.
हाँ.
नहीं, last 5 years की बात कर रहा हूँ. विराट कोहली जब आया था वो तेंदुलकर को और उनको देख के आया. मैं कह रहा हूँ last 5 years, the new generation that we are talking about,
Yeah.
they all have skills of hitting sixes. Maybe Virat doesn't have the first 10 balls to go and hit sixes because he didn't grow up playing like that. But the next generation that is coming is only practicing what is required in the market. We are now in the marketplace. The old marketplace was the selectors. So you had to be correct according to them. Now you have to be correct according to the fans, the sponsors. So you are seeing the next generation coming with that skill. If these players are wanting to play test cricket, and if you in Indian cricket show a direction where you only select a certain kind of players, there will be players who will work on that skill. Because these are successful people. They want to be successful. They'll do whatever is required. They'll find a way. They'll practice it that way. They will deliver that to you. But what is wanted now is only sixes.
So you just now mentioned mystery spinner, right?
Yeah.
And I was very keen. You beat me to it. I wanted to learn from you what is this mystery spin. लेग स्पिन है, एक ऑफ स्पिन है, एक लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन है, एक चाइनामैन है, राइट, एक गूगली है, फ्लिपर है, जूटर है. तो मिस्ट्री क्या है? कौन सा स्पिनर है ये? कौन से प्लैनेट से आया ये मिस्ट्री स्पिनर? कौन सी किताब में तो है नहीं मिस्ट्री स्पिनर. मैंने तो नहीं पढ़ा आज तक.
किताब लोग अब नहीं, हमारे जैसे किताब लिखने लगेंगे तो देख लो ना, यही होगा ना. जो मिस्ट्री स्पिनर क्यों सक्सेसफुल है, मैं ये मेरे को जो मैंने अंदाजा लगाया है इतने साल
नहीं,
देख
मिस्ट्री
के,
स्पिनर है कौन?
भाई मिस्ट्री स्पिनर तो वो है जिसको आप बोलते हो कि कुछ भी डालता है, क्योंकि पहले जमाने में भी जो लेग स्पिनर होता था,
हाँ।
अनिल कुंबले अगर आ जाता ना खेलने तो शायद उसको मिस्ट्री स्पिनर कहते, जो आपने 89-90 में देखा है उसको,
हाँ।
तो आज के जमाने में वो मिस्ट्री स्पिनर होता। उस जमाने में जब वो आया था अंडर 19 में, तो इतनी स्पिन नहीं होती थी, तो लोग क्या कहते थे, अरे यार इसका तो लेग स्पिन स्पिन नहीं होता। बट बिकॉज ही वाज सो सक्सेसफुल विद व्हाट ही डिड, वो एक्सेप्टेंस में हो गई। उससे पहले मुझे नहीं याद आता, आपको तो, मैं तो देखा, मेरे से तो उम्र आपकी इतनी ज्यादा है, आपको
हाँ।
कोई आता है स्पिनर अनिल कुंबले से पहले हिंदुस्तान के लिए कोई स्पिनर खेला हो जिसका गेंद स्पिन ना होता हो बहुत ज्यादा?
हाँ, पर अनिल का ये था कि वो कहता था इतना ही स्पिन काफी है, बीटी तो करना है।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, आज के जमाने में उसको भी मिस्ट्री स्पिनर बोलते लोग, वो है मिस्ट्री स्पिनर।
I am still not convinced there is a thing called mystery spinner. You are a spinner, right? And then you play your trick. As a leg spinner अलग trick होती है, off spinner की अलग tricks होती हैं, left arm की अलग tricks होती हैं, right? कुलदीप यादव की भी है, पर उसको वो sort out हो गया, और वो mystery spin खत्म हो गई उसकी, तो he's not a mystery spinner, right? So I'm still not convinced there is a thing called mystery spinner.
It is
Maybe we
just
can
a
have
term.
another show on this.
No, I am with you. I don't think there is any mystery. Why the mystery is happening is very simple reason. 90% of the times, the top quality cricketer and batsmen who are practicing against a bowling machine. So the art of looking at a batsman's bowler's arm or how he's released the ball, what was the difference between a good player and a great player? A great player saw the ball not in the air. He saw it how it was released. He knew whether it is going to spin, whether he's put a floater, or whether he's bowled something. और in terms of आजकल लेग स्पिनर क्यों किसी को दिखता ही नहीं है गुगली? क्योंकि हाथ देखोगे तो पता चलेगा भाई कि लेग स्पिन डाली है या गुगली डाली है. One odd ball you get beaten, but now you see most batsmen, when a leg spinner comes and he bowls a googly, they say, "Arey, yaar, googly dal di." So the batting has become better against fast bowling because of practicing against these machines. They are much faster, so you have practice. Whereas in olden days, आप practice दे आपने देखी हुई है, इंडियन टीम में भी फास्ट बॉलर कितनी देर बॉलिंग डालते होंगे. तो जो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेल रहा था वो भी 130 वाले बॉलर को कितनी बार खेला हुआ होता था. अब वो मशीनें से ही खेलते खेलते दे आर सो गुड एट इट.
मुझे याद है अजय, नेट्स होते थे तो बैट्समैन बॉलर को बोलता था भाई थोड़ी ऊपर भी डाल ले, सारी छोटी डाल रहा है, विकेट नहीं मिलेगी कल तुझे. तो वो तो दैट वाज इंस्टेंट कोचिंग ना.
I in these times I had there was a time when सब बंद था तो मैं बड़ा दुखी था, तो मैं I went to कपिल पाजी one day. First day जब खुला ना, मैं साइकिल लेके पाजी के पास चला गया. तो पाजी said a very nice thing. When we are talking, generally talking, and so पाजी said, you know what, मैं सोचता हूँ कि जो आप अपने साथ वालों से खेलने से सीखते हो ना, उतना कभी किसी और से नहीं सीखते. कहते कोच तो मतलब भगवान है, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. बोलते बट जिस टीम में आप खेल रहे हो और माहौल में आप देख रहे हो ना, वहां पे जो, जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि अरे आगे डाल पीछे नहीं डाला, वो इंस्टेंट कोचिंग. एंड व्हेन आई थॉट ऑफ इट आई सेड दैट इज ट्रू, बिकॉज ऑल माय क्रिकेट that I think I've learned is from my coach. Of course, you learn the basic and you learn everything to start with. But every time you played, Amarjeet KP would, tell you something about batting, or you Chetupa ke saath khel rahe hain, he would tell you something about bowling, fielding. From school, Abhay Sharma was, our one of the finest cricketing brains I have, come across and met. So you actually learn so much while you are playing. And that is what is learning, which now doesn't happen because there is a coach to tell you what to do.
I'm sure kids are learning. I'm sure the youngsters are watching some of the seniors. I spent a couple of years with the Delhi Daredevils, as the Delhi Capitals was known, Ajay, and I got to see the camaraderie. Someone like a Kevin Peterson and an Unmukt Chand. Unfortunately, this is the wrong example because he has disappeared from the horizon completely. But I saw how Kevin Peterson took Unmukt Chand under his wing and talked cricket with him. I think when that happens the stature of the youngster really goes up. He says, "Oh God, this man is talking to me, and I'm going to learn from him." If you have got the ability to learn just by looking around you and asking the right question, I'm sure there are lots of people within even this lot of IPL who are ready to share. I'm sure someone like A.B. de Villiers, for example, or Kane Williamson. These are wonderful people, or Steve Smith, who might share their knowledge and spread wisdom. See, everybody's got information, as Ajay you were pointing out some time ago. Everybody's got information, but it becomes knowledge when it is shared, and then it becomes wisdom when it is used. I can see that happening. Unfortunately, it is not translating into a lot of first-class cricket and into test matches, but I'm sure that time will come.
To add to Ajay's this thing, ki learning from fellow colleagues, from your partners. I've seen youngsters, juniors, कि वो ना किट बना रहे हैं, सीनियर का पूरा किट बैग भर रहे हैं, सब कुछ साफ साफ जूते साफ करके रख दिए, उसकी कपड़े तय करके रख दिए, बल्ले लगा दिए, पैड वैड, क्यों? क्योंकि थोड़ा कुछ बात करनी है, थोड़ा पूछना है कुछ, so he is taking care of his kit, ताकि ना जिमी पास से कुछ 2-3 बात करनी है तो उनको खुश कर दिया, उनका किट बैग बना के रख दिया.
I think Jimmy Pasek, Mani Bhaiya would always. I wasn't fortunate enough to spend time with him, but जो जिम्पा की जो क्रिकेटिंग सोच है, क्रिकेटिंग थॉट है, वो उस जमाने के सारे वही कहते हैं, उनसे कितना सीखा. But unfortunate is our system that we don't value such a senior statesman. He's in Goa. Last I spoke to him, मैंने कहा मैं Goa.
He was 10 Dronacharya rolled into one.
बट वही कह रहा हूँ ना कि अब गोवा जाना पड़ेगा उनसे मिलने.
हाँ, जाना पड़ेगा. Yes.
एक दिन जिमी पा को बुलाओ, जिमी पा को यहीं से डिजिटली कुछ सीख लेते हैं उनसे.
उनको ये सब नहीं आता ना. वो
इसमें आना क्या है, राजा रामन जी बनाएंगे, आप और मैं कुर्सी पे बैठ जाएंगे, बातें करेंगे, जिमी पा की सुनेंगे.
वो ठीक है. हाँ, वो ठीक है. या वैसे हाँ.
Because can you imagine? I don't know if he's watching, and I'm sure he must be watching, because once you played this game, it is very difficult not to watch, because खेल तो सकते नहीं आप इस उम्र में. And I would actually love to know how he looks at this game, because he has experience of not just himself, his years. He has experience of his father. Can you imagine how many people, 2-3 generation cricketers we have in this country? And so his father's knowledge would have been passed on to him. He would have played the game in his way. He would have learned so much. And here we are, that in Indian cricket, where everybody is involved in BCCI and ye or wo, a man with so much knowledge, so much love, and when his game everybody is seen, so he has no place. How can it be? How can it be? So I'm saying these are 8 teams which are running. They are supposed to be corporate houses. They are supposed to be the smartest people, which they are. I mean, there is no doubt. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have had this cricket. But I'm saying it's like, say, somebody's in the pharmaceutical business, world's biggest pharmaceutical company, and they have a choice to have somebody who's been creating pharmaceutical for 3 generations, and he's not even wanted by these guys. R&D in cricket has become data. People who have collected data and are packaging it and selling it beautifully are the only packages that are working.
In Jimpa, Mohinder Amarnath was a genius. Even बाहर से he would say, एक 6 बॉल देख के, विजय ये नहीं रन करता आज, इसका पैर ठीक से नहीं आ रहा. I mean, in those 6 deliveries, he has observed कि इसका आज footwork नहीं है. A batsman who has scored 100 in the previous match, and believe me, पता लगा वो 4 बॉल बाद स्लिप में कैच देके बाहर आ गया, क्योंकि पैर ही नहीं निकला बाहर.
जिम्पा के साथ आप उस टूर पे थे जब वेस्ट इंडीज गए? वो जब वो उसमें नहीं थे.
पूरा टूर मैंने सुन लिया 10 लोगों से.
कौन लोग?
सुनो, गावस्कर, गुश, उसकी कहानी, जो मतलब जिम्पा की कहानी सुनिए तो गुश को बिठा लेना और पूरा टूर पूरा कर देगा सामने. But people like Gush, वो तो he rever करता है, he revers him. So एक चीज innings he will tell you.
No, Mani Bhaiya also revers him. Mani Bhaiya also puja karos him. I can tell you that.
Yes. Yashpal, you listen to Yashpal talk about Jimmy Amarnath. Oh my God. सुबह तक बात कर सकता है. So those
Sir,
that tool was many anecdotes.
इसीलिए तो ये खेल है सर, हम लोग भी सुबह तक बातें कर सकते हैं. ये खेल का इट्स अ नेवर एंडिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस.
Yeah, yeah.
इट इज अब तो इतनी तेज इवॉल्व हो रहा है. एवरी ईयर आईपीएल आगे जाती थी, अब तो मुझे लग रहा है एवरी 5 games people are thinking differently.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely. You would have definitely enjoyed T20. You would have enjoyed.
T20, who, except if you are a solid opening batsman in a test match, everybody else would have enjoyed. If you were one of those solid opening batsmen, is because that's their skill. That skill is not required in this time, and I'm sure if you can be a solid opening batsman, and if you decided to be this kind of player, you could have been this also. But in olden days, there was this only one option. अब ये option है.
You would have enjoyed Gordon Greenidge and Roy Frederick, Desmond Haynes. I'm sure Boone and Marsh. I'm sure we would have enjoyed a lot of them. Majid Khan, for example, from Pakistan. Any number of them. We would have enjoyed them playing T20 cricket because classical भी होते थे, लेकिन मजा भी आता उनको बैटिंग करते थे.
कोई मेरे से आज मेरे से पूछ रहे थे कोई 5 बैट्समैन बता दो पुराने टाइम अपने टाइम के जो आज सक्सेसफुल रहते हैं. तो मैं बोलता हूँ अजय, बिलीव मी, बहुत सारे हैं, बट द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल वुड हैव बीन गुंडप्पा विश्वनाथ बिकॉज ही वुड हैव बीटन यू ऑन द फेंस. उनका जो प्लेसमेंट था, ही कुड पिक गैप्स. ये तो गैप में तो मारनी है ना बॉल, ऊपर थोड़ी मारनी है. He would have beaten you repeatedly on the fence.
Of
you would have
course.
been a champion T20 batsman.
Of course. I mean, I'm thinking of, how old do you want to go? Salim Durrani साहब हमारे.
My all-time favorite.
तो फिर genius.
तो फिर तो ये थोड़ी है, वो पुराने थे तो वो उस जमाने में मारते थे. अरे
मुश्ताक अली साहब.
हाँ, तो फिर तो मैं वो कह रहा हूँ कि अगर उस जमाने में जब उनको कंसिस्टेंसी और विकेट्स ऐसी नहीं और तब मारते थे, तो अब अगर ऐसी छूट दे दोगे, क्योंकि आज की डेट में जो मारने वाले खिलाड़ी हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि 14 में से 14 मैच मारता है. कंसिस्टेंट अभी भी कौन है? केएल राहुल, विराट कोहली, who are like correct cricket players. आंड्रे रसल हर मैच में नहीं बनाता ना कोई, अभी भी एबी डिविलियर्स, राहुल, ये है प्लेयर्स. तो वो जो जमाने के थे प्लेयर्स, वो आज भी इनको टक्कर देते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
अजय, सीके नायडू, मुश्ताक अली जब जाते थे तो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ना बॉलों के डब्बे एक्स्ट्रा रखते थे क्योंकि बॉल
मार जाएंगे. तो फिर तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि ये क्रिकेट नहीं है? अब तो आपको देखनी पड़ेगी मेरे साथ. मेरा एजेंडा ये है, आपको मैंने T20 क्रिकेट में एंजॉय करवाना है गेम को, नॉट के आपको.
But Ajay, I can tell you without any fear of Vijay contradicting me, the conversations we have every morning, I'm sure he's enjoying the game. Jitna bhi dekho aap, you don't have to sit through the whole game, watch every ball, but given your vast experience, you would enjoy, you would be able to pick up the threads very quickly. You don't have to watch every ball. You will know what is happening in a game without even watching it.
मैं ट्रिक बताऊं आपको ये वाला मैच देखने की. आप कमेंट्री बंद कर दो. नहीं, क्यों? मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं, नॉट के हर एक के लिए ये है. आपको इसलिए मजा नहीं आ रहा बिकॉज यू आर वॉचिंग द गेम एंड यू आर हियरिंग समथिंग एंड यू आर सेइंग, यार व्हाट इज दिस इज नॉट व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. लाइक द वर्ड मिस्ट्री स्पिनर. अगर आपने वो वर्ड सुना ही नहीं होता ना, मिस्ट्री स्पिनर, और आप उसको देखते एक बॉलर को बॉलिंग करते हुए, आप कहते यार ये जो बॉलर है ना, he may not have the flight but he has the disguise in terms of off the pitch. Because if you watch it without the sound, you, because of your experience and how you watch the game and the knowledge of the game that you've had over the years, you will be able to actually come back the next morning and find new words, new bowlers, new styles, new games. What Raja Raman ji is saying na, कि you will find those things. मैं कभी मैं भी हो जाता हूँ उसमें, लड़ाई के मोड में आ जाता हूँ. अरे यार ये क्या है, वो हम जब लड़ने में जाते हैं ना तो कई बार मिस कर जाते हैं जो अप्रिशिएट करने वाली चीजें भी.
You take, sorry Vijay, you take this Butler versus Enric Nokia वाला छोटा सा एक ओवर, 2 चौके लगाए उसने लॉन्ग लेग पे, फाइन लेग पे, एंड देन He came and bowled in with a classical delivery, right? You got to see how Akshar Patel beat Sanju Samson. When you see all this, there is a hint of Test cricket thinking in this. This might not be Test cricket, but the level of thinking is so intense. बगैर सोचे कोई खेल नहीं सकता है गेम.
पता नहीं मेरे को तो अजय यू इसके बाद अजय बोलेगा. If it comes to one over against the batsman, one was that Michael Holding to Jeffrey Boycott, and another was Ishant Sharma to Ricky Ponting. नचा दिया. और एक मुझे याद है Srinath to Michael Atherton. याद है अजय 1996. Atherton looked like a tail ender. He was hopping.
Birmingham, first test match.
My God.
But आपने बोला ना, जो मैं उसी से कहता हूँ, आपने 3-4 ओवर का जिक्र किया जो कि फैंटास्टिक ओवर्स है, बट वो 3-4 ओवर के बीच में 1000 ओवर वैसे भी तो देखे होंगे जो बोरिंग थे, जिसमें कुछ खास नहीं था. है तो सेम इसमें, तो अगर आप 55 दिन देखोगे ना तो आपको 4 ओवर से ज्यादा मिल जाएंगे अच्छे देखने को. आपको 10-20 इनिंग देखने को मिलेंगी. आपको 10-20 फील्डिंग, एक बात है, फील्डिंग बहुत अच्छी. फील्डिंग जो है ना, जो एक्सेलेंस है फील्डिंग की, वो ऊपर चली गई है. बाकी ऐसा नहीं है, अभी भी है, सरफराज है, क्रिस गेल है, मतलब अभी भी फील्डर एवरेज, ऐसे नहीं है कि सब कुछ बदल गया है. बट आप देखोगे नहीं तो आप इसके बारे में बात कैसे बताओगे, कैसे हमें कि और क्या चीज दिख रही है.
नहीं, देख तो रहे.
92 Ajay, you made a sliding stop in Australia World Cup में.
He took a fantastic catch. Everybody remembers that.
Sliding जाके रोकना. He was one of the, I think probably the only one who was doing it in the Indian team.
नहीं, सबसे पहले रवि शास्त्री किया.
हाँ?
इंडिया की तरफ से मैंने जिसको देखा सबसे पहले स्लाइड करके, एक्चुअली रवि शास्त्री थे. मतलब यू डोंट काउंट हिम एज अ फील्डर एंड वन ऑफ दोस फील्डर्स, बट वो काउंटी खेलने गए थे ना, वहां से सीख के आए थे. तो आई थिंक आई सॉ इट फर्स्ट टाइम समवेयर इन 87 और समथिंग, 87 या 88 में. वो स्लाइड करके, मतलब रवि भैया भागते तो स्पीड वही थी, लेकिन वो स्लाइड जो था ना, वो ऐसे जाके बॉल उठाना, फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ इंडियन डूइंग इट वाज दैट. अज्जू भाई को स्लाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं होती थी, वो ऐसे ही हाथ में पकड़ लेते थे. अज्जू भाई's greatness in fielding was, and actually that is how you should look at fielders, is how easy somebody makes it look, not how difficult somebody makes it look.
Easy, yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Very true.
Classical times.
Anticipation, my God.
अब मैच कब देखोगे मेरे साथ, ये बताओ.
You fixed with Rajaraman and I'm coming.
And let's watch a game together, because I feel you are not doing justice to the young boys of today. Because I'm telling you, because we are blessed. When we were playing, there were people like you who were talking about the game and the players.
Yes.
If somebody is not there to take your game and share it with the rest of the world, that player is at a disadvantage. So I think for that you must take interest, because these young kids otherwise will miss out on all the knowledge and the way of looking at the game that all of you have.
But I think that's a whole conversation for another day. जिस दिन बैठेंगे उस दिन शायद बातें करेंगे. Players now don't want media anymore. They don't want cricket conversations anymore. I could be wrong completely.
But do you blame them?
No, I don't.
So you see the kind of editors and people who are writing on cricket or watching cricket and talking on cricket. How do you blame them? You make match ka mujrim, you make this, you make that. How do you expect a player? All you guys didn't have to sensationalize your story or your writing. If you want to sensationalize, you'll only get a player once. You'll never get him again. There is a difference in I don't know who am I to talk about journalism, but I don't blame the players for not going along, because they have not seen people like you, people like Vijay, people in the past. There is only one story that in our times, Sherry rota tha ग्रेट राजन बाला साहब के बारे में कि उसने मेरे बारे में ये लिखा, बट वो स्टोरी में उसने वो ध्यान नहीं दिया कि भाई जब वो खेलता वैसे था, उन्होंने वैसे लिखा. जब तूने छक्के मारे तो तेरे को पाम ट्री हिटर भी तो बोला ना उसने. तो जर्नलिस्ट, if he is not giving his opinion, He's talking about how he saw the game. And if you don't respect that, then फिर आप journalist को respect नहीं कर सकते.
We shall continue the conversation in your hotel, Ajay, as promised. For the time being, Ajay, let me thank you from the bottom of my heart for being so good to us and for having that wonderful conversation.